Hello guys, how are you all? My name is Ajay. I'm your friend. I'm your well-wisher. I'm your buddy. So today I welcome you all to this channel. Thanks a lot. We are going to talk about today is 5 best books that can change your life, that can help you in career success, that will help you in maintaining your mental state required for success, that will help you become rich, that will help you become successful. So without any more delay, the first book, these books have helped me a lot. Okay, these have helped me in achieving success. Currently I am at a very good position in my IT field. I am having a good job. I am working in MDocs currently, and I am also working on my business, developing my business. I will tell you about that later on. But yeah, the first book is Can't Hurt Me. Can't Hurt Me is a great book by David Goggins. Basically his entire story that is narrated by you can get an audio book for it on the Audible app. You can also get a hard copy of it. So it is a great book that is narrated by himself, based on his life, events of his life. He is considered as the toughest man on the planet. You can read about David Goggins. He is a very popular person. He holds 3 world records. The one world record is about 4,000 pull-ups in 24 hours. There is another world record that around 200 miles of running he did on the uphill side in 24 hours. And also there is one more record about, there is one, he has done some kind of, he is a Navy SEAL, and he has done a lot of its name is Blackwater and Hell Week, those kind of trainings he has completed, which is very rare. There are a lot of people who are not able to do it. So this book will teach you a lot of things. Okay, it will teach you about mental toughness. It will teach you about hard work. It will teach you about not giving up. Okay, so yeah, go for it. You will find the link in the description. Okay, then the second book is More Complete Beast. Yeah, The More Complete Beast is a great book by Jack Donovan. Jack Donovan is a great writer. He has written a lot of books. So this is one of his books that I keep on listening many times on the Audible. You will learn a lot of things from this book about mental toughness, about the way that men are supposed to be ideally, in order to achieve more and more success, in order to achieve honor in the society, in life. It is based on the 4 tactical virtues: strength, courage, mastery, honor, the 4 tactical virtues of masculinity. So this one is a great book. You will find its link in the description. All the books will be there in the description, so no worries about that. Okay, the third book is A Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. Yeah, this one is a great book. It will teach you about, by its name, it is very clear. It will teach you about the financial independence, financial success. It will help you a lot in that. Okay, it is one of those rare books which covers almost every aspect of financial independence. Almost every aspect. It discusses about the best businesses that can be that are best businesses that you should do, about real estate, about lot of businesses. He talks about a lot of businesses. Okay, he tells his own story also, and but that is a very small part. But he discusses mainly about all the aspects that are needed to be focused. So this one is a great book. You can read it. I strongly recommend that. I have read it many times. Okay, Then fourth book is One Page Marketing Plan by Alan Dibb. This book will teach you about marketing as by its name. So if you are working in sales, you are doing any kind of business, then I strongly recommend you to read it. Read it or listen it on Audible or any other audio app. So this will teach you about marketing and all the aspects of marketing, cold calling, hard, all the 4 quadrants. Yeah, you can read about it. It's a very vast area, and it's not clicking to me right now, but yeah, it's a very great book. The 5th book I will tell you is The Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah, this one is very famous book. I expect that many of you have already heard about it. Okay, this one is a very famous book. It has been around for a century. It was written, I think, by the start of 1910. Around that time it was written, I guess. Yeah, so it keeps on getting released in again and again with some little changes. So this one is a great book, Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah. So these were the 5 best books that I will prescribe you to read it. Okay. So that's it about this video. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, please go ahead and comment, subscribe or comment. Yeah. Thanks a lot.